Best deals.
1. Put to maker. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for show. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Suitable for gas and induction stove. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Corner rack. Is designed for versatile placement in various rooms of your home. Whether in the bathroom, kitchen, or on a dressing table, this rack provides a convenient storage solution for cosmetics, daily necessities, or any items you need to keep organized. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Electric steel kettle. Boil water, prepare instant meals, or use the included egg tray to boil up to 7 eggs simultaneously for quick and convenient cooking. Food grade 304 stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning and long-lasting use. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Spice jar. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and glass, this masala box offers long-lasting durability and resilience, designed to withstand the everyday rigors of a busy kitchen, ensuring your spices remain fresh and flavor-packed every time you cook. With its sleek and stylish design, our stainless steel spice box seamlessly blends into any kitchen decor. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Peeler. Smart design with an attached storage box to collect peels instantly, keeping your kitchen neat and clean. Perfect for peeling vegetables like potato, carrot, cucumber. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Sprouter. This countertop sprout growing kit creates the ideal environment for growing sprouts like radish, alfalfa and much more. The vessel is made of BPA-free plastic. Sprouts are a rich source of nutrients and can easily be added to nearly any meal, whether it's topping off a salad or adding it to a sandwich. The ventilation system is designed to increase airflow for reduced mold and no more seed clumping. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cast iron tawa. Pressure die cast technology allows for metal thickness exactly where needed, so your pan is strong and heats evenly, yet is light and easy to handle. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Laundry basket. Strong carry handles for easy transport. This laundry basket for clothes features sturdy woven handles that offer a comfortable and secure grip, making it effortless to carry your laundry clothes. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Oil sprayer. Features with exterior non-toxic and safe coating to prevent exposure to sunlight, with no coating on the interior to ensure safe, pure oil storage, keeping olive oil fresh and reducing the risk of spoilage. Bottle for cooking offers the convenience of both spraying and pouring oil. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cleaner brush. Measures 15 inches and non-scratch and odorless nylon bristle easily removes stubborn stains from your bottles, carafes, travel mugs, containers etc. Its sturdy construction makes tough cleaning tasks a breeze. With the non-slip rubber grip of this bottle scrub brush, you can clean your bottles with ease and comfort. Water bottle cleaning set includes a long bottle brush, straw brush and detail cleaner with detachable organizer ring and storage hook, to provide a thorough clean for any of your drinking buddies. The full covering bristles can achieve 360-degree cleaning without dead ends, and the flexible brush can easily extend into thick, narrow mouth bottle. Brush has a round head for optimized cleaning. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Sphere Ice Ball Maker. With quick open buckle make you effortlessly release 6 crystal clear 2 inches ice balls at one time. A bonus funnel for you to fill water easily. Unique bumping seals ensure that your ice are formed perfectly round. Balanced design at the bottom prevents leaning for the best possible user experience. Made of high-quality silicone, ice trays can be used in the freezer. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Lunchbox. Made with durable 18/8 stainless steel for long-lasting performance and food safety. Enjoy warm, home-cooked meals anytime with superior insulation that locks in heat for hours. Keeps your meals hot or cold for hours. Includes a foldable stainless steel spoon, a sleek twist lock lid, and a compact side container for pickle or dips, compact size making it convenient to carry. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Burner gas stove. Equipped with premium 5G brass burners, this gas stove provides strong and consistent flames for faster cooking. Brass burners are known for their durability, better heat retention, and resistance to corrosion, which means they last longer and maintain efficient performance even with regular use. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Ceramic bowl set. Each ceramic plate is crafted in a contemporary leaf shape with elegant blue and white glossy patterns. Includes 4 small ceramic plates and 1 durable natural wooden tray for stylish serving, perfect for serving cookies, dry fruits, appetizers, or condiments. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Air fryer. With a 6.8-liter capacity, this air fryer provides ample room for preparing large meals or multiple servings at once. The non-stick basket ensures food doesn't stick, making cleanup a breeze and enhancing your cooking experience. The oil filter effectively drains excess oil, reducing grease and making cleanup easier. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Basket. Whether placed in the living area, kitchen, bathroom, or office, it seamlessly fits into any environment. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Tray. It's durable. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Laundry basket. Made with ventilation holes that keep airflow circulating, this basket helps prevent odor and moisture buildup, keeping clothes, towels, or toys dry and fresh even when stored for longer periods. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Container. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, ensuring it won't rust or chip, making it perfect for long-term kitchen use. The see-through design allows you to quickly identify contents without opening the container, saving your time and reducing mess in your kitchen. Keep your cereals, pulses, and dry fruits fresh for longer periods with our airtight seal, preventing moisture and pests from entering and preserving the flavor and aroma. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Glass teapot. Crafted from durable, heat-resistant borosilicate glass that withstands high temperatures without cracking or shattering. The smooth, non-porous borosilicate glass surface makes cleaning effortless. Microwave safe for added convenience and time saving in your daily routine. Features a premium stainless steel infuser for a smooth, flavorful brew, while the matching lid helps retain heat and preserve freshness. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Mixer grinder. Comes with 7 blade attachments, allowing you to knead, grind, blend, mix, mince, chop, whisk, and crush with ease. From Indian masalas to international recipes, this appliance adapts to all cooking styles. Designed for efficiency and durability, blades ensure smoother textures and consistent results, capable of blending and grinding. Ingredients in under 1 minute. The 4 high-quality jars are designed for both performance and convenience, including a blender jar for smoothies, a grinder jar for dry ingredients, a chutney jar for pastes, and a food processing bowl for chopping and kneading, all with leak-proof lids, ergonomic handles, and detachable parts for easy cleanup. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Pan organizer rack. This adjustable pots and pans organizer for kitchen can keep outstanding balance during use. The extended U-turn part provides a better footing for smaller kitchen tools so that you'll have no worries about them sliding off. Each divider is fitted with a rubber covering to help hold pans, pots, kadai, tawa in place and protect them from getting scratched or falling off. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Chopper. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs and cream, chopper can be easily removed. The lid, blades and the storage bowl can be separated, so it will be cleaned easily. Although manual, the handheld chopper runs without electricity, and the blades give it plenty of power. Cut what you want into small pieces and put them in. Speedy chopper is made of high quality material. The vegetable chopper container is made from a quality, food grade, and BPA-free plastic. This sturdy and durable chopper is what you require for your kitchen. Replace the blades with a mixing stick if you are done with chopping. It's great for mixing salad, making sauces, stirring eggs and cream. Features sharp stainless steel blades for fast chopping, comfort soft grip blade, easy pull cord, large handle, anti-skid base for easy leverage. An essential tool for a busy kitchen, and one of the secrets to making consistent quality meals. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Espresso machine. Experience the robust 20-bar high-pressure extraction that delivers rich and full-bodied coffee with a thick, luscious creamer. Every cup is a luxurious coffee experience, bringing the cafe quality into your home. Ideal for busy mornings or quick pick-me-ups. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Steam cleaner mop. Designed to enhance cleaning efficiency, the Turbo Sweep feature ensures deep and fast cleaning, making this vacuum cleaner for home a perfect choice for busy households. Lightweight and ergonomic design makes this a highly practical vacuum mop cleaner for home. It's a perfect choice for busy households. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Grinder. This stone mill is handcrafted with love and care by skilled artisans, making each piece unique. Every detail, from stone selection to polishing, is meticulously done by hand. This handmade touch brings a personal, human element to your cooking and kitchen. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Sugarcane juice. 2 HP heavy-duty electric motor designed for commercial-grade sugarcane juice extraction with 200 kg per hour capacity. Features 3 premium stainless steel rollers capable of efficiently crushing up to 3 sugarcane stalks simultaneously. Operates on standard 220 volts single-phase power supply, making it suitable for various commercial establishments. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Bowl. Meeting all your needs, this complete kids tableware set will help you manage your baby's feeding needs from the time they start solids as infants well into their toddler years. Made of 100% food-grade silicone, the feeding set for baby is non-toxic, BPA-free, phthalate-free, lead-free, paint-free and free from all other harmful chemicals. This makes it an ideal choice for your babies, infants or toddlers. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Gardening tools. With the addition of a vegetable seeds pack and a carrying case, this gardening toolkit offers a complete solution for both new and experienced gardeners. Each garden hand tool is designed with ergonomic handles to reduce strain and enhance grip, providing maximum comfort during use. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Rack. Made of high-quality plastic, this dish rack organizer is designed to withstand daily use, holding plates, bowls, spoons, and utensils securely in place. Features multiple slots for plates and bowls, plus a side holder for spoons and cutlery, ensuring maximum storage and organized drying. Comes with a detachable drying tray that collects excess water. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Grinder. With revolutionary, patented stone that gives you effective grinding, less sieve, generates less heat resulting in higher fermentation rise, generates less heat hence more good bacteria, generates less heat hence the batter stays fresh for long. A wet grinder uses electric-powered stone rollers rotating within a drum to crush soaked grains, lentils, or coconut into a smooth paste. By using low-speed stone grinding rather than high-speed blades, it produces superior, well-aerated batter for idli, dosa, prevents overheating, and preserves nutrients and natural flavors. Produces highly fine, fluffy, and well-aerated batter and pastes that are far smoother. Because it creates little heat, the yeast and bacteria required for fermentation are not killed, leading to better, more consistent idli, dosa batter. Ideal for making pastes from soaked rice, urad dal, coconut, and even for preparing cacao nibs into cocoa butter. Designed to grind larger quantities of food at once. Lower speed grinding preserves the nutrients, natural oils, and nutritional value of the ingredients. The slow, consistent pressure crushes rather than cuts, creating a smooth, fluffy, and well-mixed paste without generating significant heat. As the drum rotates, the heavy stones move and crush the soaked ingredients placed between them and the sides of the drum. A motor-driven stainless steel drum, heavy granite stones, rollers, and a base. A wet grinder is essential for achieving a superior, fluffy texture in idli, dosa batters and smooth chutneys, which cannot be achieved by standard mixers. It uses stone grinding to keep ingredients cool, preserving natural oils and nutrients while preventing batter heating. This results in perfectly fermented, airy batter for soft, high-quality dishes. A wet grinder's primary use is to create smooth, fluffy batters and pastes from soaked grains and lentils for South Indian dishes like idli, dosa, and vada, but it also makes chutneys, dough, and spice pastes, working by rotating stones to grind ingredients with less heat than a blender, preserving flavor and nutrients. It's a staple in Indian kitchens for achieving the perfect consistency for traditional recipes. Product link is given in the 31st link.